What if I told you that financial freedom isn't just for the lucky few, but for anyone who is willing to follow a proven formula? Imagine waking up every morning knowing your bills are paid, your future is secure, and you have the freedom to live life on your own terms. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more anxiety about debt, and no more sacrificing your dreams because of money. Today, I'm going to reveal the secret formula for financial freedom. This isn't theory. This is the same formula that self-made millionaires, successful entrepreneurs, and financially free people have followed. And the best part? You can start applying it right now, no matter where you are in life. So stay with me until the end, because this could be the turning point in your financial journey. Step 1, master your mindset. Financial freedom always begins in the mind. If you think like an average person, you'll live like an average person. But if you shift your mindset to think like an investor, like an entrepreneur, like someone who controls their destiny, your reality will start to change. Ask yourself, do you believe money is scarce? Or do you believe money flows where value is created? If you constantly think, I can't afford this, you close doors. But if you start asking, how can I afford this? How can I create value? You open opportunities. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He didn't come from a wealthy family. He trained his mind to see opportunities, to think long-term, and to make decisions based on growth rather than fear. That mindset made him one of the richest men on earth. So the first step in the formula is simple but powerful. Develop a wealth mindset. Read books, learn about money, surround yourself with people who think bigger, because your mindset will either limit you or set you free. Step 2, take control of your money. You can't achieve financial freedom if your money is controlling you. The second step is learning to master your income and expenses. Most people live their lives in a cycle of earning, spending, and waiting for the next paycheck. That's not freedom, that's survival. Start with a very simple rule. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Track your expenses, cut the things that don't matter, and redirect that money toward things that build your future. For example, imagine you save just $10 a day by cutting unnecessary spending. That's $300 a month, $3,600 a year. If you invest that consistently with compound growth, in 10 years you could have tens of thousands working for you instead of disappearing on things you don't even remember buying. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how smartly you use it. Step 3, build multiple streams of income. Relying on one source of income, like a salary, is dangerous. If that job disappears, your entire life collapses. That's why the wealthy always build multiple income streams. Look at millionaires. They may have a job or a business, but they also invest in stocks, real estate, side businesses, royalties, or digital products. Each income stream is like a safety net, and together, they create financial security. Ask yourself, what skills or opportunities do I have right now that I can turn into another income stream? Maybe it's freelancing online, starting a small side business, and investing in dividend stocks, or even creating content. The options are endless. The goal is simple. Never depend on one paycheck. Build multiple streams that grow over time, so even if one stops, the others keep flowing. That's the true foundation of freedom. Step 4, eliminate bad debt and leverage. Good debt is one of the biggest chains holding people back. Bad debt, like credit card balances, payday loans, or expensive car payments, drains your wealth. If you want financial freedom, you must eliminate these as fast as possible. But here's the secret. Not all debt is bad. Wealthy people use good debt to their advantage. They borrow to buy assets that generate income, like rental properties or businesses, rather than liabilities that lose value. For example, instead of borrowing for a luxury car that depreciates, imagine borrowing to buy a rental property. That property pays you rent every month, covers the loan, and builds equity. That's how debt becomes a tool for freedom instead of a trap. So remember, cut out bad debt and learn how to use good debt wisely. Step 5, invest early and consistently. If there is one word that defines the secret to financial freedom, it is compound growth. The earlier you start investing, the faster your money multiplies. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because when you invest consistently, your money doesn't just grow, it grows on itself. Let's take a simple example. If you invest $500 a month at an average return of 10%, in 20 years you'll have over $300,000. In 20 years you'll have over $300,000. 30 years over $1 million. That's the power of consistency and time. It doesn't matter if you start small. What matters is that you start. Whether it's stocks, index funds, real estate, or your own business, put your money to work and let time do the magic. Step 6. Create a long-term vision. Financial freedom isn't a short race, it's a marathon. You need a clear vision of what freedom looks like for you. Do you want to retire early, travel the world, build businesses, support your family, donate to causes you care about? Write down your financial goals. Break them into milestones. If your vision is strong enough, it will guide every decision you make, what you spend on, what you invest in, and how you use your time. Remember, money by itself is just paper and numbers. The true purpose of financial freedom is to create a life of purpose, choice, and impact. Step 7. Stay disciplined and patient. This is the final and most important part of the formula. Discipline and patience separate those who achieve freedom from those who give up halfway. Most people want quick success, quick money, quick results. But the truth is, wealth is built slowly and steadily. You must stay consistent even when results don't show immediately. Think about farmers. They plant seeds and wait months before they see crops. They don't dig up the soil every day to check if the seed is growing. They trust the process. Financial freedom works the same way. Plant the seeds of smart habits, consistent investments, and multiple income streams, and in time, you'll harvest the results. Now let me leave you with this. The secret formula for financial freedom is not some hidden trick only the wealthy know. It's available to anyone willing to master their mindset, take control of their money, build multiple income streams, eliminate bad debt, invest consistently, create a vision, and stay disciplined. Financial freedom is not about luck, it's about choice. It's about choosing to live differently today so you can live freely tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time will never come. Start now, start small, but start. Every step you take brings you closer to the life you deserve. So ask yourself today, are you ready to commit to your financial freedom? Because the only thing standing between you and the life of your dreams is action. Take the formula, apply it, and never stop. Your future self will thank you for the decision you make today.